Alright, what's up guys? So I'm here with my first car review on the channel, which is my buddy PJ's. What year is it? 88? 88 944. So my first real impressions of the car is that it's very noisy, which I'm very used to because my hard body is the same way. There's a lot of road noise, a lot of tire noise, and you get used to it after a while. It's not too bad. So there's a lot of really good things about this car, which I'm very impressed with, being that it is a pretty much stock 88 Porsche. It is on point with the handling. PJ did just replace a power steering pump today, like pretty much.
Yeah.
And it is solid. There's no play in the steering whatsoever. It handles beautifully. I'm very impressed with the way that it'll take a corner at speed. The style of this car is absolutely fantastic. I've always loved cars from like the 80s. It's got the very angular, sort of trying to be aerodynamic look, and I think that is just beautiful. This is a car that I would see as a kid, and I always got it mixed up with like a Mark III Supra, or more often like an FCR X7. And I always thought that they all just looked so similar, but so different and so cool at the same time. I can never get enough of these cars. Also, I really love the way that these fenders stick out. They've got that nice angular bulge on there. That is just so gorgeous. Did she pull? It's so fun for like something that doesn't look like much. And now on to daily drivability. Would you be able to daily drive this car? Absolutely. It's comfortable to drive. It's stylish yet stealthy. You can sneak by some people with this while still driving it, and having a fun car. And there's a sunroof. That's pretty cool. I don't have a sunroof in my truck, but I want one. Nice. Uh-oh. Oh.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Nice drive.
I'm just insulting your car. Like, I'm just like flat out first thing. Your car.
Well, it's okay.
I'm sure you can notice by what you're hearing right now what I mean by the tire noise.
It needs your tires, they're old, they're cracking, and why not?
Is your temp gauge a little high?
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know what to tell you.
Is that bad? Does it usually do that?